Hi, my name's Louise Thompson from the infant feeding team. I'm going to do you a short film on how to hand express. So before you start expressing, it's a good idea to stimulate the hormones that get the milk flowing. So you can do this by massaging first, so massage gently all the way around the breast, and remember your breast tissue goes right up into your armpit and all around, so spend a few minutes massaging. And nipple stimulation, gentle nipple stimulation, also helps to stimulate your hormones too. Then to get the milk to flow from the breast, it's important to compress and release. So what we do is, it's quite a good idea if you think about when you pick up a cup like this, your hand goes into a C shape. So I've got my cup here, and then I'm just going to take my hand away and see I've kept that C shape there, and I'm going to put the C shape over my breast with the nipple in the middle. So I'm going to compress and release and compress and release, and it might take a few minutes for the milk to start showing, especially in the early days when you've just had your baby. In the first few days of life, you'll have smaller amounts of colostrum. So keep going like this, and then the milk will start flowing or start appearing, and you can be collecting the milk in a cup or in a syringe or in a small bottle. When the milk stops flowing, you need to move your fingers round and start compressing and releasing the next segment. And we like to think about the breast like an orange, and you're going to juice each segment of the orange. So keep going like this until the milk stops flowing, and then move round again. And while you are compressing and releasing, you're also pushing back into the rib cage a little bit, and that helps with the milk flow too. So express all the sections of the breast, and when the milk stops flowing on that breast, you can move over to the other breast and do the same on this side.